Hello everyone. Let's discuss the Murray machine examples first. So here I have a question in which we construct the Murray machine that takes set of all strings over a comma b. Okay, so set of all strings over a comma b means we have given sigma. Sigma is a comma b as input and prints 1 as output for every occurrence of AB as a substring. So 1 as a output means the output alphabet capital delta is 0, 1. Okay, so we have two input alphabet A and B and we have two output alphabet 0 and 1. Now for every input AB, we have to produce 1 as output. So constructing a Murray machine in GATE exam is not asking. Such type of construction is not asked in GATE exam. But for theoretical exams, it will definitely ask. So how can you construct the Murray machine for every occurrence of AB as a substring? So consider the DFA. The DFA in which every string ends with AB. So if you draw the DFA in which the every string in the language ends with AB, how can you draw this? Let's say I have an initial state capital A, and then on saying input A, I will go to the state capital B, and after that on seeing input B, I will go to the final state, let's say capital C. So here in Murray machine and Mealy machine, final state is not present, so I have not drawn the double circle. So I just simulate the particular Murray machine with the help of DFA. So on DFA, in particular initial state A, you will accept any number of B's. Okay. So here input alphabet A and B is defined. Now on capital B, input alphabet B is defined, but what about input alphabet A? You will accept any number of A's here. And on capital C, if you see A, then you will go back to the state capital B, and if you see B, you will go back to the state capital A. So this is the transition diagram for a language in which every string is ends with AB. Okay. Now after constructing this transition diagram, we have to add the output alphabet in this particular transition diagram. So for every occurrence of AB, the output produced is 1. So here on C state, we have to add the output 1, and on A and B state, the output produced will be 0 and 0. Why? Because it doesn't see any input AB, but on capital C, I have seen 1 AB as a substring. So this is the Murray machine for this particular question, in which every occurrence of AB as a substring. Now, how to trace the Murray machine? Let's take some string. Let's say I have an input string AB. Now, if you want to trace the input AB, so first you have to start with capital A state. Capital A state will produce output 0. On seeing input alphabet A, it will go to state capital B and produce output 0. On seeing input alphabet small b, it will go to state capital C and produce output 1. So here the output is 0, 0, 1. It means that you have seen 1AB substring. Okay. Similarly, you can construct you can trace the more strings. Let's say AB, AB. So here the output produced will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. That means you have seen 2 ABs as a substring. Okay. In the next video, we will see one more example related to Moore machine.